In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and use the Kanban view in Monday.com. Kanban is a powerful technique for project management designed to help you manage your work more effectively by prioritizing tasks and balancing demands according to your available capacity. Whether you're a project manager, a team leader, or just someone wanting to streamline their workflow, using Kanban in Monday.com can significantly boost your productivity and clarity. Let's get started by visiting Monday.com. Once you've reached the website, head over to the upper right corner and click on Log In. This will take you to the login page where you have the option to either sign in with Google or enter the email address you'll be working with. If you decide to use your Google account, simply find and select the appropriate email address. This login process will ensure you're accessing your projects under the correct account, so make sure to double check your email choice. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the specific board you want to work with. This is where you'll be enabling Kanban view to manage your tasks more efficiently. Once you're on the board, direct your attention to the top part. Here you'll find an option that when hovered over will say Add View. Click on this option and from the list select Kanban. Immediately a new tab will open showcasing your board in the Kanban view. This view organizes your tasks into columns that represent different stages of your workflow. It's an intuitive way to visualize progress and identify potential bottlenecks in your project process. This layout is particularly useful for teams needing agility and transparency in their project management. With the Kanban view active, look to the upper right of your screen and locate the cogwheel icon. By clicking on it, you'll open the settings menu, which allows you to customize the view according to your specific needs. Here you can adjust settings to fit the unique requirements of your projects, whether it's color coding tasks for priority or adjusting column titles to better match your workflow stages. Customizing your Kanban view gives you the flexibility to tailor the productivity tool precisely to your needs. With these steps, you've not only activated the Kanban view, but also learned how to adjust it to suit your personal or team project management needs. This adaptability and ease of use are what make Kanban on Monday.com such a powerful tool for visualizing and controlling your workflow. So go ahead, adjust the setup to your liking, and begin leveraging the full potential of Kanban in your project endeavors. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.